Dear friends, in the international political arena, an attempt has been made since the formation of the United Nations organization in 1945 so as to create a World Parliament Assembly directly elected by the peoples of the nation states. What is the necessity of creating a World Parliament Assembly at this present juncture? One thing is that the reason that the proposed World Parliament Assembly would be directly elected by the Parliament rather than the executive of the sovereign nation states. Another reason is that the members of the World Parliament Assembly would be directly responsible to the people of the respective nations rather than the sovereign countries and not considering the narrow and partisan interest of their own countries. Rather, they would think in the interest of the entirety of the humanity as its core value. Albert Einstein, the greatest scientist of the 20th century, even in 1947, has addressed a letter, open letter to the United Nations General Assembly so as to create a World Assembly. That is, the moral authority of the United Nations would be considerably enhanced if the delegates were elected directly by the people of the nation states. Now, there is an European Parliament for European countries and a African Parliament for African countries, and similarly there is an urge so as to create World Parliament Assembly so as to address the issues of the entirety of the humanity without any partition or narrow interest on nationalism. Now, let us come to the state of democracy and its values and individual liberties to Indian citizens in the Indian scenario, with a particular reference to a specific case that has happened in Tamil Nadu. The incident has happened in a state which is said to have been pioneered and addressed the issues of social injustices and inequalities which were wiped out in the larger civil society to a larger extent. The real story is this. In Ottanandal village nearby Thiruvannainallur in Viluppuram district in Tamil Nadu, on May 11th of this month, 30 families of Dalit community have managed to have a festival of Mariamman temple festival, and without the concurrence of the so-called Vaniyars, the most backward communities in Tamil Nadu, in that particular village, they have organized the village festival for Mariamman temple. This has caused anger and apprehension among the Vaniyars communities. That is, without their permissions, they have organized a festival and they have forced 3 aged persons belonging to scheduled caste community to apologize before the entirety of the this Vanya caste-based groups, including youngsters of the Vanya community. This has caused an outrage in Tamil Nadu, which is a land of reformist movement. The point herein is that in that particular village, Dalits are having a family of 30 families, whereas Vaniyars are having 300 families. The point here is that in democratic India, even after 73 years of Indian independence, Dalits are not in a position to have common access to water and public utilities facilities. Even they are not permitted to worship in common temple. This has caused anger among the Vaniyas, and they have forced the Dalit people so as to apologize them. This has caused a lot of fear and apprehensions among the Dalit community, even in 21st century and in the land of Periyar. And this is happened. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Indian Constitution, has rightly said that political democracy cannot last unless there lies at the base of it social democracy. Social democracy means liberty, equality and fraternity to all the peoples in these countries. Unless or otherwise having a social democracy at base level, the political democracy would be demolished at any point of time. This was the warning given by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of the Indian Constitution. The point here is that we are not in a position to unite at least one village people in a village panchayat standing for liberty, equality and fraternity of all the peoples. How the world community would organize this world assembly, parliament assembly in the near future, it's a big question mark. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.